What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Hope you guys are safe, staying safe. You guys be careful out here. Wash your hands. Yes, you guys, now is the time. If you're growing your own food, more power to you. Thank you so much for being here. And if you are not already a subscriber, click the subscribe button. Click the bell if you like. Click the thumbs up or the thumbs down, you guys. We're here to support each other. I love you. Thanks for being here. Okay, I just wanted to make a very quick video for you on growing tomatoes from start to finish. Okay, this is a quick guide for anybody who just wants to know, how can I grow tomatoes starting in my own home? Okay, you guys, let's just dive right into it. Hope you're blessed today. We're just going to take one of our tomato seeds. You guys, if you don't have any seeds, I tell you to invest in going getting you some, Walmart, anywhere. Get you some seeds, you guys, okay? Tomatoes are pretty simple. I have already pre-mixed in this soil. You can put them in these cells. You can put them in cups. You can do it however you want to do it, okay? Okay. So just get you a couple of seeds. And I tend to overplant just in case something doesn't come up. But you can do 3 in each container. Just pop them in there like that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you guys? Just 3 seeds, just like that. And then just take your finger and press them down just a little bit. Cover them with some more soil. We're just going to do 1 cell. That's all, you guys. Pat it down just a little bit and water it. But this is pre-moistened soil. Okay? So, in about 4 to 5 days, you'll get what they call germination. Now see, this is in a peat pellet, which I planted the seed the same way. Just poked it down in there and let it grow. And this was planted on the 11th in my peat pellet kit, okay? And this is a golden California wonder that has germinated. You see that? This is what you'll get in about 5, 6, 7 days. Okay, you guys? And when you see that, you want to immediately put it under a light, y'all. Get it under that light because it turns to this. And I think this is 2 plants. This is a yellow pear tomato. So you'll have that. And this is in the same container as the Jiffy, all my other Jiffy plants, you guys. And then pretty soon, this is a Tamarillo dwarf. Planted on the 12th of February. And you see how slowly it's growing, but it's a dwarf plant. But this is a Tamarillo dwarf, and it looks pretty healthy. So that's what you'll get. And then in a few days, you're going to start seeing your plants move into this phase. Nice and healthy. At this point, you want to take them outside every now and then. Look at our rubies. See? And it's 2 of them in there like that. And I'm going to thin them out to 1. Everybody needs their own home. Like this. Everybody needs their own place. And these need watering. You see the light brown? So, we planted 3 seeds. All the seeds came up. But we don't want these to intertwine. I want all of my plants, y'all. I'm not going to cut them and thin them. I want all of them. In times like these, we need them all. So, in order to transplant your plant, let's do one of these rubies. Yeah, we can do this one. Let's do this ruby. You want to dig a hole, get your container. This soil is pre-mixed, you guys. I'll take my finger and stick it down far. Because if you bury some of the stem of the tomato, that's actually good because roots will come out of there. And then I'm going to gently separate my rubies. Okay? So whichever one pops out first is going. And that one popped out on its own. I didn't have to separate any root. I didn't have to damage any root. The root came out by itself, you guys. You saw that? So gently take it. Leave some of that soil that's already in there. And mound it up around those extra roots. I like to mound, which is just building a little hill around it. And then go in and backfill, which is just taking some soil and putting back into the pot to give it a firm base. Okay? And now take these outside every now and then for like an hour or two. Let them get a little sun. Let them get used to the real sun. Then they're going to get this size. I'm going to thin these. But I just want to show you guys how to start a tomato plant. And there you have it, inside your home. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. Be safe. Wash your hands.